Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Google Sheets. If you've been straining your eyes working late at night or simply prefer a darker interface, this quick solution will help you achieve that sleek, dark appearance for your spreadsheets. Before we dive in, there's something important you need to know. Google Sheets doesn't actually have a built-in dark mode feature when you're using it on desktop. Unlike some other Google apps, you won't find a simple toggle switch in the settings. But don't worry, there's still a way to get that dark mode experience, and it involves using a browser extension that works beautifully. The solution is to install a browser extension that can transform the appearance of Google Sheets for you. In this example, I'll be using the Chrome Web Store, but similar extensions exist for other browsers too. Start by opening the Chrome Web Store and in the search bar, type in Dark Reader. This is one of the most popular and reliable extensions for enabling dark mode across various websites. Once you see Dark Reader in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the extensions page where you can read more about it and see reviews from other users. When you're ready, click on the button that says Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will download and install in just a few seconds, and you'll see a notification confirming that it's been added successfully. Now it's time to see the magic happen. Navigate back to your Google Sheets tab or open a new spreadsheet if you haven't already. In most cases, the dark mode should activate automatically once the extension is installed. Your entire Google Sheets interface will transform into a dark-themed version, making it much easier on the eyes. However, if you don't see the dark mode applied immediately, there's a simple fix. Look at the top right corner of your browser window and click on the extensions icon. It typically looks like a puzzle piece. From the drop-down menu that appears, find and click on Dark Reader. This will open the extensions control panel where you have full control over the dark mode settings. Here, you can easily turn the dark mode on or off with a simple toggle switch. You'll also find additional customization options if you want to adjust brightness, contrast, or even set specific filters. Once you've toggled it on, go ahead and refresh your Google Sheets tab. The page will reload and you should now see your spreadsheet displayed in beautiful dark mode. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode for Google Sheets using a browser extension. Now you can work on your spreadsheets comfortably, whether it's late at night or in a low-light environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.